In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate text-to-speech in Runway ML. We'll go from opening the dashboard to producing a polished voiceover, and I'll share practical tips along the way so your results sound clear and professional. Start by heading to the Runway dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Audio Tools. You'll see an option labeled Generate Audio. That's the area we want, since it brings together both recording and text-to-speech in one place. Inside the Audio tool, you'll notice you have two paths. You can record your own voice if you want something personal and custom, or you can let the system speak your words using text-to-speech. For this walkthrough, we'll use text-to-speech because it's fast, consistent, and great for drafts or final reads when you don't have a voice actor on hand. Next, type your script into the text field. Think of this like writing for a narrator. Use punctuation to control the pacing. Commas for short pauses, periods for full stops, and line breaks to separate thoughts. If you have acronyms or tricky names, spell them out phonetically to guide pronunciation. Keep sentences concise and conversational, and avoid big blocks of text by breaking long ideas into shorter lines. If the platform has a character limit, work in sections and keep each chunk focused on one idea. Now choose a voice from the available options. Each voice has a different tone and texture. Some sound friendly and casual, others more formal or newsy. Pick a style that matches your use case, whether that's a tutorial, a product demo, or a narration. Pay attention to voices that handle emphasis and pacing well, especially if your script includes numbers, dates, or technical terms. If you're unsure, imagine your audience and the mood you're aiming for. Energetic for promos, calm and steady for instructions, warm and neutral for general content. When you're happy with your text and voice selection, click Generate. Runway will process your input and synthesize the speech. This usually takes just a moment. As soon as it's ready, listen through from start to finish. Focus on clarity, pacing, and whether the tone matches your intent. If a word doesn't sound right, tweak the spelling or add punctuation for a clearer pause, then generate again until it feels natural and easy to follow. And that's it. You've used Runway ML to turn written words into clean, consistent audio, ready for your video, presentation,